Hey there, this is Chris, and this is AskX. AskX is a gateway to all your team knowledge. So what you do, start with that, is you connect some data sources. So as you can see, like all my slide knowledge base is there, some Google Drive folders, some linear project management files, my chat with my teams. So I can select only a part of my channels to be synchronized. If I have like typically bots and automation in some channel, that will add too much noise. And once I have done that, I can just go there and ask a question. So, for instance, so I can ask something like that. As you can see, it will scan already a lot of sources, find them, and here what it does on the right is that it actually uses the sources, think with itself, okay, which one seems relevant? You know, is there a contradiction over time? Is there things that are kind of very relevant? It selects a few of them. So as you can see, we have like something from Google Drive, something from Slack, something from my help center, and it explains why this source can answer. It explains also that, you know, like the date impacts a lot the relevancy of the answer. So for instance, here, you know, it dates from only 3 weeks ago and here from last month. In the sales channel, here in the update channel, explaining, you know, like from July 2024, it confirms that Slide has been recently recertified for SOC 2 Type 2, and it provides a link to the updated report, so, you know, we can go straight away to get the report. And here, of course, like it interprets all this data to give you an answer. But so the thing that is really important here is that very often in team context, you have contradiction, and so we really optimize the experience so that you have all the information at hand to understand why it gave you the answer, and you can verify and double check if it's still accurate. Now, the second thing that I can show you is spaces. So here I didn't play with it, but you have a lot of filters. In spaces, sorry about that. In spaces, you can basically preset a list of filters so that you can only ask on specific set of documents. So let's go to something that we already built. For instance, here, very simply, we have the Slack channel on technical stuff and the Slack channel on technical stuff. And so I can ask something like, and here I can ask for a concise answer, and I could change the language as well, and I could do a lot of stuff. Here it found some documents, so it seems that we have one document or a couple of documents that are mostly answering. It explained the kind of step by step, so it's concise. It's actually like a very long list if really like it needed to answer. And here we have like something that is interesting. It detected some specific follow-up that could be interesting for you. So here, for instance, it says, are you interested in setting up the code base locally or using Garden, which is like a deported environment for us? Without going into too technical details, like there are two ways of, you know, getting started, and it detected that, and it says, you know, like, do you want me to kind of like precise on just this specific one? And so, you know, we can click on it, and it will retrigger exactly the same with like new sources, but because of course I precised on this environment. Awesome. So that's pretty much it for today. This is AskX. We have a lot of stuff that are coming next, especially ways to understand data with natural language so that you can ask questions and graph or get tables. But that's for another day. This is a product that we are extremely excited to get your feedback on. So yeah, play with it and, you know, like sign up to the beta. We'll see if, you know, you're a good fit, and then play with it, and we'll be super excited to get your feedback. Have a good one.